So we got this thing here. It's called Safety Shield. And this is, for those of you who don't know, this is what you call a pill splitter. And it has, look at this, see how that slides in there? And it comes down and it cuts it in half.
Don't put your finger in it.
No, it slides in here so you cannot actually cut yourself. It protects it. The cutter it's right in here. It protects you from the cutter. You put your pill in the thing here and it cuts it. See, I'll put a pill in here and I'll cut it. I'll show you. Hold on. Alright, so we're going to put a pill in here. Put the pill in the thing here. Just like that. And then you just put it in there like that and watch. And it cuts it in half. And you just open it up. And you just tip it out. Where'd the other half of it go? There it is. And it just cuts it right in half. Boom. Nice and even. That's for pills that aren't scored. And it's called Safety Shield. These typically run about $5. I was too cheap to go out and buy one. My mother-in-law bought this for me for Christmas. It was so sweet of her. And it's even a really cool blue color. I'd rate this product straight on 5 for what it is and what it does. It works great. It's very safe. You can see how that moves up and down over the cutting device there, so there's little chance of getting cut. I mean, you could cut yourself if you really wanted to, but nobody really wants to. But yeah, I'd rate this product straight on, boom, a 5 for what it is. And yeah, something y'all, whoever has used these kind of items, you might want to go check it out. I don't know where it came from. I don't know where she found it or where she bought it. But it's a neat little item. So I do a quick video of that for you guys. Thanks for watching. And talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.